In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an account on Microsoft Teams. If you're trying to remove your Microsoft Teams account, it's important to know that Teams is tied to your broader Microsoft account. That means you won't be deleting only Teams by itself through this process. Instead, you'll be navigating to your Microsoft account settings where you can begin the account closure process. So before you continue, make sure you're ready for that, since it may affect other Microsoft services connected to the same account. To get started, open Microsoft Teams in your browser and make sure you're signed into the account you want to remove. Once you're on the main Teams page, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or avatar there. Go ahead and click on it to open the account menu. In that drop-down menu, select My Microsoft Account. This will take you away from Teams and into your main Microsoft account settings page. This is where Microsoft keeps your profile, account details, and account management options. After the Microsoft account page loads, find and click on the section called Your Info. This area contains your personal account details and gives you access to more account-related settings. Depending on your screen size or browser, the layout may look slightly different, but the label should still be easy to spot. Once you're inside the Your Info section, look for the option that says Close Account under Your Account Information. Click that option to begin the account closure process. This is the point where Microsoft will guide you through the final steps needed to close the account associated with Teams. Take your time here and read everything carefully on screen. Microsoft may show reminders about subscriptions, stored files, or other services linked to the account. If you use the same login for Outlook, OneDrive, Xbox, or any other Microsoft product, closing the account can impact access to those services as well. If you don't immediately see the Close Account option, double check that you're signed in with the correct account, since personal and work or school accounts may have different management options. Also, some accounts may have extra verification steps before you can continue. And that's how to delete an account on Microsoft Teams by accessing the Microsoft account closure settings. Follow the prompts on the screen to complete the process and make sure you review the details before confirming anything.